Hi guys, my name is Sophie Azula, and I'm a senior majoring in computer science.
Hi, my name is Caitlin Wyatt. I'm a computer science junior.
My name is Caleb Henry, and I'm also a junior studying computer science.
My name is Gabriel Blackwell, and I'm a senior in computer engineering.
And
Together,
we're
Youth for Youth
Care
Gap.
And today, we'll be demonstrating our app, Youth for Youth Health. Youth for Youth Health is a mobile app that's aimed at increasing health literacy in K-12 schools by providing an educational tool to enhance in-class instruction in various health topics. We plan to provide our app to South Carolina public high schools in collaboration with a health literacy nonprofit, Youth for Youth Health, in the very near future. This app provides lessons specific to health literacy topics, as well as information and local health literacy resources. Through engaging content like quizzes and a health chatbot, we hope to provide students with a more enjoyable and informative vehicle for health information.
Our app targets the problem of health literacy. Health literacy meaning the degree to which individuals can find, understand, and use information and services to inform health-related decisions and actions for themselves and others. According to the South Carolina Hospital Association, as of 2020, only 12% of adults in the United States have proficient health literacy skills. Youth for Youth Health aims to address this large disparity in health literacy, more specifically, South Carolina health literacy.
Currently, South Carolina Public Schools provide students access to health information through the traditional method of in-person courses and classes. Additionally, some districts provide their students with personal computers or tablets. These devices run on a variety of operating systems, meaning that the current method for a South Carolinian student to access health-based information looks different from county to county.
This app has been made with the user pain points of privacy, reliability, and accessibility in mind. To protect user privacy, the app has been made without storing personal information, aside from a user's email and name, which can be updated in our settings. There is also an option of using a guest account, which would provide the student with complete anonymous access to the app. Thus, a student can access health information about health topics that may be sensitive or stigmatized directly through Youth for Youth Health. To address reliability, we have collaborated with a South Carolinian nonprofit organization to utilize clinician-driven course content. In addition, the course content is set up remotely, meaning it can be updated with the most relevant facts and information as needed. Lastly, our app addresses accessibility by providing users with content regardless of internet access. Using Firebase, we've set up a database that can be offline sufficient for days at a time, meaning a student can hypothetically have access to our app's content and resources using only the internet provided by the public school.
As for the technologies used to build our app, first off, there's React Native. So React Native is syntactically very similar to its web developer counterpart, React.js, and it manages state and updates seamlessly without needing to reload screens, just like its web counterpart, which is very useful. The main upside is it allows for creation of native apps for iOS and Android at the same time with one code base. For a smaller team like us, that's perfect because it allows us to focus on learning one language instead of two separate ones.
Expo Go is a runtime environment meant for React Native. Instead of continuously developing builds for Android or shelling out ridiculous developer fees to Apple, we could easily develop our app using Expo Go. It allows any phone with the app to scan a QR code and use their computer as a server.
Google Maps API was used for the development of the map screen. It did not work out in the box with React Native and required some additional open source packaging. The API has a high cost for many features outside of just rendering the map and displaying locations. So this led us to develop a lot of self-developed map features.
And just as a unit testing framework with a focus on being lightweight and simple, Detox is built on Jest for React Native end-to-end testing. These two are used for all of our unit testing and behavioral testing of the app.
We will now demo the app using the persona of a girl named Rebecca, who is 16 years old and attends a public high school in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Our team member Caleb will be playing this role. Rebecca recently downloaded the Youth for Youth Health app because she wants to learn more about health literacy. She first opens the app to the initial screen, where she presses the sign up button since she doesn't have access to an account yet. Now that she's on the registration screen, she inputs her information and logs into the app for the first time.
Since she has never logged into the app before, a tutorial pops up going over some basic app features. Once she clicks through that, she's now on the home screen. She's been struggling with self-image lately, so she decides to see if there's a course for that. She presses the course widget. and then clicks through that tutorial. She's now presented with a list of courses. She hasn't started any of them yet, so they only have the start button. She notices the course on body positivity, and since that is the area that she cares about right now, she clicks on the course to take her to the course screen. She decides to start by clicking the introduction lesson.
As she's reading, she sees a section about the main focus of body positivity that she really likes, so she takes a note on it. She then proceeds to the quiz section. She is struggling to remember the answer to question 1, so she checks her notes and sees the answer. She then completes the quiz and heads back to the course screen. Curious as to what the upper icon does, she presses it and then sees a list of sources linked to the course.
Feeling confident for now, she heads back to the main screen. Navigates to the profile section and equips her new badge. She's now going to take a quick look in settings and turn on dark mode. But after seeing the dark mode theme, he decides that she would rather continue in light mode, so she changes them back.
She also realizes that she typed her name wrong originally on sign in, so now she wants to go back to the profile page and update her name. After that, she wants to explore the app to unlock more badges. So she will go to the fact page to explore the page's resources. She wants to search one of the resources she saw when exploring the body positivity course to read more about the subject. She first filters the resources by the topic, and then she searches for the specific article title using the search bar. Now she has a question about body positivity that hasn't been answered yet. Scrolling through the resource page, she explored the facts section to see if anyone has already asked this question. Since no one has, she wants to submit her question to the YFY Health team, so it may be added to the app later. She's still curious about body positivity, so she wants to ask the chatbot to get some exploratory answers. She types her questions and is able to engage with the help chatbot to answer some of her questions. While this isn't a replacement for a conversation with a professional, she's able to gain more insight into body positivity and learn about how many topics of discussion within this. She's also able to get a general answer to her questions of what body positivity is.
Now that she has a general idea, she would love to find a professional in her area where she can ask about the information she has learned and talk about her struggles about body positivity. To do this, she wants to explore the map resource on the app. She's currently going to high school in Spartanburg County, so she selects Spartanburg as the area to look up resources. After scrolling, she finds the Almost Perfect Counseling Center in Spartanburg, which provides a wide range of counseling services. Here she is able to open, here she sees she's able to open it in Maps and also call the facility to learn more information. Now that she's explored all of the app features, she is ready to start learning about health literacy on the app. Thank you for watching our demonstration video today. This has been YFY Health.
Bye.